More confessions of engines. Okay, so I just had to go running into the house to make sure that I wasn't like gonna be dumb when I said something about my my Datsun engine. But I wanted to show you, if you don't already know, and if you do, keep watching because it's probably going to be entertaining. But if you're ever in a situation where you don't know for sure what the engine is and you're walking through a car show and you're like, want to say something intelligent, if you look on most engines, you'll see 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the other side, there's also 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is how you can tell that I have a V8 in my Datsun, because there are 4 chambers on each side. It's an 8. But if you look at my 4-cylinder, it's an inline, which means that everything is on one side, but I'll show you in just a second. So on this one, it's an inline and it has all on one side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like you could see, there was nothing on the other side. Everything else was over there. But that is how you can have a moment of brilliance walking through a car show or a coffee meet or Cars and Coffee and, you know, impress the boys. They won't be impressed, but it'll be fine. I'll be impressed. Okay, bye.